Young at Art is a great place to find hands-on interactive exhibits, and we hope that the smaller children that visit us can develop an appreciation for art. What's unique about this museum is that it's geared specifically for art.
They have a room based on the musical act Stomp, and they have instruments that they can play, have wheels on the wall that you can spin. I've never seen an art museum focused on children. I can't even compare it to anything. It's one of a kind, so this is the perfect place for me to pass on my love of art to them.
We want people of all ages to explore their creativity and imagination, and we want them to take that home with them.